Did you know that writing a YouTube description is one of the most underused tactics in growing a business YouTube channel? Well, today I'm going to tell you all about it. Hey, welcome to Hey.com. My name is Dane Golden, and I'm making this video because I love helping marketers and business owners like you grow your customer community through helpful how-to videos. But what are YouTube descriptions and why are they so important? Well, that's simply the area that comes beneath the video on YouTube. Now, frankly, they're not that visible on mobile, but they are on desktop. Even if they're not visible on mobile, they do influence what comes up in the video. Even if people have to click that little arrow and turn that triangle around to see what's in the description, they still count towards video SEO and what gets shown to you on your video. So they are important, but let's think of them from the desktop perspective for now. Those first 3 lines of the YouTube description are very important, and you shouldn't have any links in the first 3 lines of your YouTube description because you don't want somebody clicking away. As a business owner, you might be thinking, well, the first thing I want somebody to do when they get to a YouTube video is to click away. But that really is not understanding how the YouTube algorithm works. The YouTube algorithm wants people to watch videos for a longer period of time. It's called watch time, and that's how videos are ranked. And if your video is only being watched for a few seconds and people are clicking off to go to your website or leaving because they don't want to watch it, your videos will be ranked so low that they will not be shown to anyone. Now, you can promote them through paid, but I'll tell you, even if you pay people to watch them, they're going to click off because, well, let's face it, your video sucks. Sorry to tell you. By saying your video sucks, it doesn't mean the content isn't valuable or the people on it are not valuable. It just means that the way the video is constructed, the viewer does not engage with it. There's only so much you can do to make a video where people aren't engaging bubble up. Assuming you have a video that people are engaging with and you don't want them to click off after a few seconds, then you don't want to have a link in the first 3 lines of a YouTube description. What the YouTube description offers you is a chance to engage further with the people who like your videos, and while they're watching, they can be reading. So one of the things you want to do is encapsulate what the video is about in those first 3 lines, at least, if not longer. What did those first 3 lines, those show up in search. So if someone's searching for the topic you've made a video on, this will get them to click. And if they don't click, you don't get any organic views. It's pretty simple. So you want them to click and then you want them to watch. So you want that description to be very enticing and accurate. Then below that is 5,000 characters of things you can add at no charge, right? You can write as many things as you like, but what is the right amount? Well, it's helpful to write a description that details what your video is about and why people should watch it. But also, you are a business, you want people to go to your website. So you should include a link to your website at least, right? Maybe since you are a business that tracks everything and every lead, maybe even put a tracking link there. I know, it's crazy. No matter which business it is, I always tell them, hey, put a tracking link in there. Even businesses that make tracking links for a business sometimes don't put tracking links in the description of their YouTube video. Now, I want to caution you, you're not going to get a ton of clicks from that description, but you are going to get clicks from the people that are most interested. If that's what you do, you can track that conversion tree and find out how valuable those YouTube viewers are, because I'll tell you, they are valuable, but you don't always see it in the clicks. Sometimes people will watch a lot of videos and then they'll just type in your URL or click from another place. It's not that easy to track clicks on YouTube, but make it easier for yourself. Use a tracking link. Also, you want to link to other videos in your YouTube library that might be relevant. And you could link to a lot of other things, social media, etc. But importantly, your goal should be to get a YouTube viewer to watch a second video. That should be your goal with almost every video. So the more links you put in there, the less likely they are to go to that next video. Why is that next video so important? because once you have viewers looking at consecutive videos on YouTube, your videos will start to rise up in search, and suggested videos and browse features and all these other ways that people find videos. And instead of getting a small number of views, you will get a large number of views, and the percentage of clicks you get from this large number of views won't change, but that absolute number will go up. So your goal is to make videos that people want to watch and watch more videos. They don't have to buy after just one video. And I've made a second video for you to watch. I've put it right here just for you. Hope you enjoy it. We'll see you in the next video.